Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you're watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, in our Symantec Endpoint Protection Manager series, today I'm going to demonstrate how exactly you can create unmanaged SEP agent package. Which means, guys, the package which we have earlier created like this one, right? Those are the managed package, which means whenever you are going to install this SEP agent on any system, server, okay, it's directly going to report to your Symantec Endpoint Protection Manager server. But when you install your unmanaged package, okay, then those package will not report to any server. Those packages will directly, or you can say those agents will directly receive the definition from the cloud, and you will not have any control on those systems where that unmanaged package installed using your Symantec Endpoint Manager console, whether it's updated or not, it has detected any viruses, anything. Okay, so that's why we call those as a unmanaged package. So there is a total two way how exactly you can utilize those or create those unmanaged package. The first thing is that, guys, when we have downloaded our package for the very first time, okay, from the support portal site, right? So during those time, if you go out and check out here, I have downloaded one zip file which contains all the clients. So if I open that, then you will see here is the package. Okay, so you can directly use this package, but this is very lightweight. It doesn't contain any signature or anything. And the modules, what are the things you would like to choose while installing the Symantec? Okay, so by default it has all the features, but if you would like to customize package and create a fresh unmanaged package, then for that you will have to log into the SAPM console. So let me log in and show you how exactly you can do that. But before we proceed further, one small intro video. Okay guys, so our console has been opened now. So to create a unmanaged package, you will simply navigate to the admin and then install package. Here you will see one option called export a client package. Okay, so simply click on that. It will open one new wizard and where you would like to create the package. So in the desktop, I'll create one new folder called unmanaged SEP agent. Okay, so this is the folder which I have created. Now we'll browse same folder from our system, in your export console. So this is the folder which I have selected here. What happens? Anyways, okay, yeah, perfect. The folder has been selected. Now which agent version you would like to export? So I'll keep the same. So you would like to make any changes with the feature settings, so you can choose appropriate options. And here what we'll do, we'll select export a managed agent. Okay, because this particular tick is very important, guys. And then whatever the things you would like to select, or full protection or reduce basic protection, you can choose appropriate options. And what is this particular feature means, then I have already covered these particular things in my previous video, okay, where I have demonstrated each and every section of these things. So we'll not go very much detail in this particular video, but right now I'll just select this full protection for clients as well. So it's completely upon your requirement. Okay, then the installation setting, I'll keep it as a standard, which is the default one. Computer mode is fine. And the very important, guys, here, so since you might have configured the policies for different groups, so would you like to export those policies also when you are exporting agent? So if you think you have any group or policies which works perfectly and configured as per the industry standard, then you can select those appropriate group. Okay, so that when you are going to export this particular agent will have the policy exported from this group also. Okay, so this is the best thing I feel which we are getting with the Symantec, that while exporting the agent we'll get the policies as well. And since this is unmanaged agent, so we are almost done. Now we'll simply have to click on OK, and our package will start getting the exported. Let me open this. Yeah, you can see. Let me just move it to the other side so that we will be able to watch it once the package export is completed. Okay, now it's creating exe file. Perfect, guys, our package has been created. Now if I open this, then here is our setup, and the and the size of this particular setup is 203 MB. Now going further, what you will have to do, you simply have to copy the setup in the systems or server where you would like to install, and then you can simply right click on these setups and start or run this with the administrative privilege, and SEP agent will get installed and that system will stay protected forever. And if you would like to know what are the different ways to deploy the package, then those are also I have explained to my previous videos where I have shown the command line or the other stuff which you can go and explore by your own. So hopefully guys, with this video you have got the idea that how exactly you can create unmanaged agent package using the SEPM console, as well as how exactly you can download the unmanaged package from the support portal itself. And if you found this video useful, then please click on the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. And in next video I will demonstrate, or I can give the proper complete walkthrough on the SEP agent console. So thanks for watching. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.